You do need to learn, dear Sagittarius, not to make things bigger than they are or bigger than they need to be. And where you have a tendency to make things bigger than they are and bigger than they need to be is the meaning that you add or place on whatever may be going on around you, and then what you make that mean about who you are as a person. So there could be particular circumstances that are currently unfolding, and what your tendency to do is judge those circumstances by thinking that this shouldn't be happening, or I should be elsewhere, I shouldn't be feeling how I'm feeling. There's a lot of shouldn't. And all of those shouldn't pieces then keep you trapped. So your opportunity today is to allow. And I want you to focus on the energy of allowing today. Notice what it feels like when you align with the energy of allowing. What if I just allow it all to be today? Not interfere, not get involved, just allow it to be. And so allowing it to be for you in particular means that you don't add meaning on anything today.